So what should we be doing? Okay, we want to pay quarterly, but how do you pay quarterly?
If you make more than $1,000 in profit, you got to pay them upfront. There's a couple ways you could do it. You can estimate how much you're going to make per quarter or during the year. So a good rule of thumb is like maybe between 30 to 50% of your profit, which is like a super conservative amount. There's also what's called like the safe harbor rule. This is kind of not necessarily a loophole, but a pass that they'll give you to avoid fines and penalties is if you look at your past tax return and then see how much you owed, you definitely want to pay at least 100, if not 110% of that number. And then if you go ahead and use that as your estimate, they're going to give you a little bit of a pass at the end of the year. So even if you owe more than that, they'll say, okay, at least you made an effort. You looked at last year. That's kind of the way you could do it. But really, you want to submit it quarterly. The upcoming date now is January 15th. And then just every quarter after that, you want to go ahead and go through that portal online, fill it out, create an account, and then make that payment.